How to order from Walmart. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to order from Walmart, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for www.walmart.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Walmart. Make sure you are logged into your Walmart account. If you do not have a Walmart account, you can always go ahead and create one. Once done, you will be led to the home page of Walmart. Here, go ahead and pick a product that you want to order and tap on that. Now you will see the option for Add to Cart. Tap on that. With this, the product will be added to your shopping cart. You can go ahead and add more products of your choice. Once done, tap on your cart option you see in the top right. You will now be shown all the items in your cart. Here you can make changes to order. You can add or remove product. You can increase or decrease the quantity. Once you are done making the changes in your cart, tap on the Continue to Checkout button. You will be asked to enter your shipping address now. So go ahead and enter the shipping address. Make sure to enter the address correctly. Once done, select your payment method and add in your payment details. You can also choose to pay from your PayPal or Affirm account. Lastly, you can add your mobile number again so that it will be easier to contact you while the delivery process, and this is how you can make an order from Walmart. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.